Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a profitable Shopify dropshipping store from scratch. Even if you are a complete beginner, by the end you will know how to pick a winning product, set up your store and start selling in 2025. Let's get into it. Let's quickly clear up what dropshipping is. It's a business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to the customer and you keep the profit. No warehouse, no bulk buying, super low startup cost. It's a great way to start an online business with very little risk. Now, the most important part, finding the right product. Look for solves a problem, has a wow factor, is not easily found in local stores, selling well on platforms like TikTok, AliExpress, on Amazon. Use tools like Sell the Trend, PP ads for TikTok, product ads, AliExpress dropshipping center. Avoid anything overly saturated or hard to ship. Now, go to your Shopify.com and start a free trial. Once inside, click Settings, then General, and fill in your store information. Choose a shop name like Dawn is clean and free. Choose a Shopify theme like Dawn is clear and free. Go back to Shopify admin dashboard, then online store, then select Dawn. Customize it. Click on customize. Add your logo from header section. Create your home page with a clear call to action. Make it mobile friendly like that. And this pages home, shop, contact, track order, and FAQs. Next, connect to a supplier. Use apps like Thesaurus for AliExpress integration. Then Drop or CJ Dropshipping. Install and connect your AliExpress account. Import products directly to your store. Edit title, description, pricing, and images to make it unique. Set your profit margins, usually 2 to 3x the cost price. Now go back to Shopify admin dashboard. Click on settings for collect money. Then click payments tab. Enable Shopify payments or PayPal from payments provider section. Click choose a provider and search for your provider name like Stripe and add your bank account for payouts. Now set up your shipping. Use free shipping and include the cost in your price. Create clear shipping policies in the footer. Transparency builds trust. There are two ways to drive traffic: organic or paid. For organic, create short TikTok or Reels videos, use trends, challenges, or product demos, post daily with relevant hashtags, goal, go viral without spending money. For paid, use TikTok ads or Facebook ads. Test 3 to 5 videos as creatives. Start with $20 to $50 per day budget. Use interest based targeting first. Track which ad brings the best ROI and scale it. Once you get traffic and orders, it's time to improve. Use Shopify Analytics to track rates, install Hotjar or Lucky Orange to watch how visitors behave. Just go back to your Shopify admin dashboard, then apps, then Shopify App Store, then search for Hotjar or Lucky Orange. Then install it. Test different product titles, prices, or images. And add upsells using apps like frequently bought, frequently bought together. Set up email marketing using Klaviyo or Shopify emails. Profit comes from improving what's already working. And that's how you build a profitable Shopify dropshipping store in 2025. It's not a great reach, quick scheme, but with consistency and smart testing, it absolutely works. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full and full ad strategy breakdown next. Thanks for watching and happy selling.